This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's art video is featuring one of my favorite art companies, which is Arrtx. They kindly sent over this awesome OROS outdoor markers, and just look at that packaging, like all the little details and stuff. They're seriously gorgeous. So this is a 48 skin tone set. It comes with a cute thingy card and a swatch sheet. The markers have a cool matte gray barrel and both a chisel tip and a brush tip. The top cover of the box actually doubles as a convenience stand, and I just think that's such a nice detail. One of my favorite things about Arrtx art supplies is definitely the packaging. It's always pretty and unique and totally matches my taste. And here's the second one, the 90 color set, which comes with a wide range of colors. I gotta say, I'm totally obsessed with how the case just like stands up by itself. It's such a neat little feature that makes grabbing the colors way easier. I just tried out the markers here in my new Peter Popper sketchbook. The colors are awesome and the brush tips don't dry out too fast. They also do cool things when layered over colored pencil sketches and kind of blends the colors together. And this other big sketchbook I got from DocuFinds is actually meant for watercolors, but I wanted to see how it works with markers first. I did some experimentation swatches and random sketches on the first page, just playing around with all the colors. As you can see, there are a ton of similar shades. It was hard to pick just one, but my favorite mint tone dark color is number 376 that looks like reddish brown. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot for hair and clothes. The paper in the sketchbook is nice, it's really thick, 300 GSM, and there's barely any bleed through even with a lot of layering. I always use colored pencils for sketching before markers. Graphite pencils smudge too much with markers, even after erasing with a kneaded eraser. That's why colored pencils are my go-to for initial sketches. So here's my progress so far. I'm not feeling it. I got a little overwhelmed with the color selections and messed it up a bit, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. I also did another swatch, trying different color combinations. To fill up the rest of the page, I threw in a cherry blossom referencing Lovely Runner. I also want to show you my favorite piece I've done with markers yet. I made it a few months ago and I love the contrast and texture, especially the hair. It's really different from what I'm working on now, partly because the paper is rougher than what I usually use. And maybe I went a little overboard with the colors because of all the choices, but that's okay. I might try drawing on the smoother side of this sketchbook. But before we get to that though, let's talk about today's sponsor. Squarespace is your one-stop platform for building a beautiful and functional website. It empowers artists, entrepreneurs, or anyone to bring dreams to life online. Choose from stunning pre-designed templates and customize them with your own colors, fonts, and layouts using the drag-and-drop interface. Showcase your work with gorgeous portfolio and create a bio that reflects your unique style. Squarespace Commerce allows you to set up an online store in minutes and sell art prints or digital products with ease. You can manage your inventory, offer subscriptions, and accept secure payments through various methods. Squarespace integrates with popular shipping services for streamlined order fulfillment. It also connects with your favorite tools like email marketing, social media, and analytics, saving your time and effort. Unleash your creativity with Squarespace and share your art with the world. Start your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, visit squarespace.com/pateseich to save 10% off your first website or domain purchase. A big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Now on to the drawing. So I woke up feeling inspired and grabbed my little sketchbook. Someone just popped into my head, so I decided to sketch him. I mentioned trying the smoother side of my Tokyo-fine sketchbook later, but this one came first. Okay, so here's the result. I love the colors and texture. It's so much fun to make. I think I'm getting the hang of alcohol markers again. I only use 5 or 6 colors, but I can totally blend them to make new shades or layer them for a darker look. I realize keeping things simple with colors seems to be working for me. I have a pre-sketch of Binwasak here, this time on the smoother DocuFines paper. I'm keeping the colors simple again, maybe 4 or 5. One thing I've learned is that less is more. You can blend for new shades or layer for darker tones. I also think it's much better simplifying the colors. still coloring away here. I'm not quite ready for a full marker tutorial yet, but I was thinking of showing you guys more of the drawing process itself so you can see how I use alcohol markers. Speaking of markers, these OROS ones are amazing. The brush is great for tiny details and the colors blend beautifully. I'm having so much fun with them and loving how this page is coming together. The skin tone set is a must-have in my opinion. If you're curious about trying these Arrtx markers, I've actually linked them down below in the description box, so go check them out. And many thanks to Arrtx for sending both the markers my way, and thanks to all of you for watching. Don't forget to take care of yourselves. I'll see you all again soon.